Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry by ANR. We are going to discuss about valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an element. What does it mean? That means in order to combine with one atom to another, how many electrons are needed to form the bond. So we can say how many electrons an atom can actually lose, gain or share to form a bond. In order to form a bond, an atom generally loses electron or gains or shares electrons based on the type of the bond that is formed. In simple words, we can say कि one atom joins hand with another atom, say in a handshake gesture. So valency is the number of hands an atom uses to join with other atom. Now the question arises, if one atom combines with another, if valency is the combining capacity of the atom, why do atoms actually combine? Why will they combine at all? Atoms combine in order to attain stability. What kind of stability? In order to attain a configuration, electronic configuration, which is equivalent to a noble gas. You know, noble gases are the inert elements that do not combine, that do not react because they are very stable. Why are they stable? Because they have their outermost shell completely filled. They have octet configuration. They have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Of course, remember that helium has a duplet configuration. It has 2 electrons. So if hydrogen can attain a duplet configuration, it will attain stability. Other than hydrogen, any other element which has a near about configuration to octet, if it can attain the octet configuration, then it will attain stability. So this stability can be attained either by gaining electron, losing electron or sharing of electron. Example, say hydrogen, symbol H, it has 1 electron. Why? Because its atomic number is 1. It has 1 proton, 1 electron, electrically neutral. It needs 1 more electron. Why? Because if it can gain 1 more electron, it will gain the duplet configuration like helium and attain stability. So how many more electron it needs in order to attain stability? It needs only 1 more electron. So the valency is 1. Oxygen. It has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Why? Its atomic number is 8. Now K shell can hold a maximum of 2 electrons and L shell can hold 6 electrons. So the outermost shell for oxygen is the L shell, which can hold 6 electrons, and so it needs 2 more electrons in order to get octet configuration, in order to get 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So how many more electrons it needs? It needs 2. So the valency is 2. Sodium, symbol Na. Atomic number is 11. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. K shell having 2 electrons, L shell having 8, and M shell is the outermost shell having 1 electron. If it can lose that 1 electron, then what will happen? It will get octet configuration on losing that 1 electron. Aluminium has atomic number 13. Now it has 2, 8 and 3 electronic configuration. If it loses those 3 electrons, it will attain octet configuration. Now, losing 3 electrons from the M shell and getting octet in the L shell is much easier than gaining 5 electrons in the M shell. Always remember, wherever less electron transfer is there, that will follow that pathway only. So rather than gaining 5 electron in the M shell, it will follow losing 3 electron in the M shell from the M shell and getting an octet configuration in the L shell. Types of valency can be a positive valency for the metal, like when atom loses electron, it gets a positive charge. How many electron is lost, that is the valency. And on account of the loss, it attains a positive charge. So it's a positive valency. Negative valency is how many electron it gains in order to attain the octet configuration. That means the negative charge that is formed, Cl minus, O2 minus, these are the negative valencies. That means oxide, O2 minus, the valency is 2. Chloride, valency is 1, but having a negative charge. Now, how to find valency? I told you a shortcut trick. Remember, this is very, very important. If valence electron, that means the number of electron present in the outermost shell, is 4 or maybe less than 4. It can be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then valency is the same number from 1 to 4, whichever is the number of electron in the outermost shell. Now in the outermost shell, if the number of electron is greater than 4, 5, 6, 7, then valency is 8 minus that number. Because if it is 5, then it needs 3 more electron to obtain octet configuration. If the number of electron in the outermost shell is 6, valency will be 2. If the number of electron in the outermost shell is 7, valency will be 1. Example, carbon having valency 4. Why? Because its atomic number is 6, electronic configuration 2, 4. So outermost shell has 4 electron. I told you, having 4 or less than 4, the valency will be the same number. Oxygen has 6 electron, 2, 6 is the configuration. So it's greater than 4. So 8 minus 6 is 2, which is the valency. Nitrogen has 5 electron, 8 minus 5, 3 is the valency. Now I told you in between valence electrons. So what are valence electrons? They are the electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. That is, they are the outer electrons that take part in the chemical bonding, because in a chemical bonding only the outermost electrons are involved. And why are they important? They decide valency, we have just now seen. They decide reactivity of an element, whether it will lose or it will gain electron. They help atoms form compounds because of the combining capacity, either by losing or gaining electron or by sharing of electrons. Now example, hydrogen, total electron is 1. So outer shell electron is 1, valence electron is 1. Oxygen, total electron is 8, configuration is 2, 6, outer shell is 6, valence electron is 6, but valency means in order to obtain octet, how many more electron it needs? 6 plus 2, right? Or 8 minus 6. So valency is 2, valence electron is 6. Sodium, atomic number 11, K shell 2 electron, L shell 8 electron, M shell 1 electron. Valence electron means number of electron in the outermost shell, M shell, 1. But valency is also 1. Why? Because in the outermost shell there is 1 electron which is less than 4, and if it loses that 1 electron, it gets octet configuration. Carbon, configuration 2, 4, valence electron is 4, valency is also 4. So easy way to identify, look at the last shell in electronic configuration, that is the outermost shell. Count the electrons there, that is the valence electron. And depending on the number of valence electron, as I told you, if the number of valence electron is 1 to 4, that is equal to the valency. But if it is greater than 4, then it will be, valency will be 8 minus how many electrons are there in the outermost shell. So valence electron is what atom has, how many electron in the outermost shell. Valency is what atom needs to gain or to lose or to share in order to obtain octet configuration in order to obtain noble gas like configuration. Duplet is an exception.